Okay folks, there's the mount board with one screw run in. As you can see, we're level. The holes are all pre-drilled. All we really need to do now is go ahead and run these screws home. No big deal. Okay, well there's the 4U rack attached. I'll move the basics of the network in, at least get Wi-Fi going, and then I'll move the 7U rack in. Up above here, where the level is, here's the screw hole, so that's where the stud is. So I'm going to go right here and over to the right. That's where my triple gang wall plate is going to be with, where did I put it? 3 of these with a triple gang cover, of course, but 3 of these wall brushes to allow the groups of cables to come through, and they'll come down here into the rack. Up here will be the VoIP adapter for a voice. Up here will be the VoIP adapter for fax, and right in the middle will be the punch down block for the phone. Okay, so this is what needs to move over. You see I've got the Cyber power distribution unit. I have the, if I can grab that, Obahai OB100. That's the one for my voice line. That's Fabric B for my iSCSI. Fabric A, my patch panel. There's my service gap that I'd actually like to make bigger, so I can reach in and get things. This is where my cabling routes through. I'd like to tidy this up a little more. There's my 16-port switch, my 8-port KVM. There's my second OB100, that's for a fax. My Zoom cable modem, I actually own that. That's not a lease modem from the cable company. And yeah, that's my Buffalo Wi-Fi router. All this stuff needs to get moved. That shelf is for all this crap. I need to better manage my cabling. Needs to go through the wall. And so that is one of the reasons I'm doing that. This moves out of this room into the room next door.